Samsung had their Unpacked this morning, and we got the standard Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, but they had a one more thing up their sleeve, the Galaxy S25 Edge. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. Just got back from Unpacked a couple of hours ago, picked up our S25 Ultra here in the blue color. It's delicious. The event was pretty stock standard at the start. You know, all the new features got announced, all the stuff that we've spoken about in our videos, our hands-on and our One UI 7 videos, that all came to fruition. Throughout the event too, Samsung kind of teased a whole bunch of other products. We got on the screen here in the image you're seeing now, a look at what appears to be a double foldable, or some people call it a triple foldable, and a pair of glasses along with a headset. That's kind of like a teasing moment as to what we can expect moving forward in 2025. But then just as the event was wrapping up, we had lots of guest speakers on the stage. Drew walked off and said, "Thank you all for coming." And we all kind of thought that was it. But then there was a one more thing. Just when you thought it was over type thing, there's more to come. Here's the announcement.
Okay. The show isn't over. A culmination of our most innovative technology, packed into a form that's sleek, powerful, and unlike anything you've seen before. Introducing Galaxy S25 Edge.
The S25 Edge. We all thought it was going to be called the S25 Slim. In the teaser video as well, it looked very different from the leaked images that we've been seeing. It appeared to be a double camera. So as you can imagine, we very quickly wanted to get down to the experience zone to see what it was all about. So once we got down there, at first it was packed. Could not move in there. It was absolutely chock-a-block, to use an Australian phrase. So it was very, very difficult to sort of get a clean image of it. So I just had to go around and sort of wait our turn. And then when we came back, perfect. What you're seeing now is the Galaxy S25 Edge on display alongside some mock-ups of the thickness of the S23 and Galaxy S24. And as you can see, it is substantially thinner. What Samsung said on stage, or what the announcement made out, was that they've compacted a whole bunch of materials together and worked to refine it all to be a compact package. And when you look at it, it's absolutely what you see. We weren't allowed to go hands-on. We weren't allowed to go any closer than what we were standing, so we had to use zoom on our cameras to get a bit closer. But from what you can see in the images that we're showing, you can see a substantially thinner phone, and then you've got two cameras on the back. Don't know much about what those cameras are. Don't know much about the display specs. Don't know anything about anything other than what you see. That's it. Mobile World Congress is in a couple of weeks. There's a chance that Samsung could expand on what this is going to be, pricing, availability, spec sheet at that event, but we're not too sure. So we can only go off what we've seen. And from what we can see is it's a very, very thin phone. There is a little thing you kind of notice. It looks like maybe the fingerprint scanner might be on the side, or that could be a millimeter wave antenna. Who knows? Again, we know nothing other than the images that we're showing. Also, surprisingly, even though it kind of wasn't teased heavily at the event, there was maybe a brief mention of it, the XR headset was there. And again, it was just a thing you could look at. There was no information on how it works, no information on any of the specs. It's just this is what it looks like. Let's put it on display. So again, didn't get any information about availability on that either. But as you can see, it's a very sleek looking headset. So obviously the Samsung hardware and the Google software sort of combined together might make it a really pleasant, nice experience. But we don't know. We don't know. All we know is what we saw. And what we saw is what you're seeing now. Other than that, the experience zone was pretty much as is. All of the people went and looked at the phones and tried the new features and asked lots of questions. People were making content. But the main thing, obviously, was that Galaxy S25 Edge. Lots of people speculated it was going to be called the Slim. Well, they were wrong. And we have the Edge. And I like it. It's almost like a subtle throwback to the Edge naming of the past. It's already got the brand recognition. So I think it kind of just seamlessly slots itself into the lineup. And I'm looking forward to seeing more about what the phone is. Hit subscribe to SamMobile TV. Lots of coverage on the S25 series that is available right now to come. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.